We are now seeing real photos of the DJI Avata. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Anthony and I'm here with all of your drone news. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the DJI Avata, which is DJI's latest FPV drone that is being leaked. And now we are seeing actual pictures of the drone, as well as some new information that we didn't know before. Before I show you pictures of it, let's jump into the quick updates. So before we heard that the drone was delayed, but now we're hearing that it's possibly going to come out this month in July. But if that's true, we only have a few days left, so I highly doubt it. I'm thinking maybe August or even September for this one. Time will tell with the release date. But honestly, once we start seeing actual photos of the drone, that usually says that it's around the corner and literally about to be on shelves. We're also hearing that the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise and Thermal Mavic 3 may be released this month as well. So it would be a big release of products for DJI. The Avata is definitely geared more toward the consumer market, whereas the new Mavic 3s are geared toward the commercial market. So two different customers, but definitely a lot if DJI chooses to release both drones at once. But even according to this DroneXL article, with less than a week in the month of July, it is very unlikely that we're going to see these drones this month. So I'm going to put the photos of the Avata up on the screen so that you guys can take a look of what the drone looks like. So as you can see, this first photo here looks kind of like a crappy cell phone photo, but you can see the battery on the top and you can see the propellers surrounded. It definitely looks like it has a much more durable design compared to the first FPV drone that DJI released. The second photo we see here definitely gives us a better look at what the top of the drone looks like. You can see where the camera is toward the bottom of the photo and the front of the drone. And then I'm guessing that is the battery in the back. And then here is a photo of the bottom of the drone where we see two sensors that look very similar to the sensors we see on drones like the Mavic 3. So the drone will definitely have some obstacle avoidance protection. These sensors do look like they're on the bottom, so it could just aid with landing. And then actually it looks like there's two additional sensors on the bottom if you zoom in that definitely resemble the sensors on the bottom of the Mavic 3. So this drone will definitely be a more durable FPV drone packed with a lot better tech. And I think this drone could greatly improve DJI's respectability in the FPV space. A lot of people looked at the last FPV drone that DJI released as kind of a joke. And honestly, I own it and I don't use it all that much. I don't think it's a joke, but I think it's, you know, a good hybrid drone, but definitely not a total FPV. And I could totally understand why people would be worried flying that drone like a normal FPV, because it's heavy. If you break it, it's difficult to get parts. You have to send it in. You have to have DJI fix it. They're gonna probably overcharge you for the repair. That is a reason why people are a little hesitant to that drone. But if they're able to deliver a more durable drone that has all of the FPV features, I think it'll be much better for them. But that is my update on the DJI Avata. If you are looking for more updates on this drone or drone videos, tutorials, anything like that, definitely make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And also please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way it ranks higher in the algorithm. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.